Yes, children, in the next practical, as I told in the starting of this video, that is about the study of lactobacilli and observation of fungus. For these two practicals, we need microscope. Now see children, this is microscope, and just in the lab you can see this is microscope. Two microscope are there, and the slides I have kept down. Okay, you can see this is the slide. Okay, here in this I have kept this slide. Okay, this microscope I kept the slide of lactobacilli, and here in this we are keeping this is for fungus. Now it's very difficult to see, but let me try, children. I see from here you have to see. Okay, you have to close one eye, and in this hole, okay, there is a, you can see, lens is there. From here you have to see, and inside how it appears, that you can see. Just a minute, let me see. I hope I'm just looking, I'm forwarding my camera over here in this lens. Just a minute, children. Slowly it is appearing. See children, in this hole when I kept my camera, you can see. Yes, very clearly now it is seen. Understood? This is what actually lactobacilli. Now this looks like a rod shape. See, this is the view how if you look inside this microscope. From this hole I am taking. See this hole, it is, you can see. Can you see children? Yes, very clearly now it is appearing. See how nicely it is seen. Yes. So this looks like a very narrow, like a, you know, that rod type of. It is able to see, right? So this is actually lactobacilli. We already learned this thing regarding the lactobacilli. Oh, it is gone. Oh. Yeah, again it appeared. Yes. Yes. Very clearly now it is seen. Again. So what you write in this observation, that the lactobacilli, sorry, I just moved out. Yeah, can you see children? See, inside the lens I brought it very close to this. Yes, this is what rod shape you can see. Okay, this is lactobacilli, and for this you can write the observation that it looks like a rod shaped bacteria, and already we learned that this is comes under the prokaryotic cells. Okay, so that is what about the observation. Fine. Similarly, how we look this in a this is under the microscope we are seeing, children. I just kept my camera on this. This is, see, this is a microscope. This is the lens, as I told. Okay, this is a microscope. You can see here, from here you can see. So this is how I am adjusting myself. From this hole you are seeing. You have to, if you are in the lab, you have to close one eye and you have to see. Fine. So once again I am just showing this. Yeah. Yes, now it's appearing. Yes, very clearly you can see now. Fine children, I hope now you understood. This is just, you need to observe, that's all. Fine. Now we'll see like similarly we will see now for the fungus also. Just a minute. Yes children, see, this was about the this microscope which I showed right now, that is about the lactobacilli, and this microscope, the slide is kept, that is for fungus. Okay, so we'll do the same observation in the fungus also, as from here we are going to see. Okay, I just brought my camera near to this hole. You can see how it looks. Yes, wow. See, this is fungus. I am not able to make it stand. Just a minute. Yes, can you see, children? Yes, see how it looks. You already learned, no, about the fungus, and we know that fungus are saprophyte. Okay, they are taking their nutrition from the dead bodies or decaying organic matters. In between, it's just shaking my hand. Just a minute, children, let me do it. And we also learned that this comes under the kingdom fungi. I just gone. Yeah. Yes. See, children? Wow, now it is clear. I hope this is now clear to everyone. See. So when you see it under the microscope, it looks like this way. Okay. So that's why I shown like this way. Fine. So in observation, what you will write? You are able to see something horizontally. It is spread again when yeah, it is spread all over horizontally, you can see. Okay, and regarding each parts that I will be giving you in a pic. Okay, that pic I will send in the group. Accordingly you can see, you can correlate here in this pic, in this video. Fine. So that I will be discussing in the online session. Fine, children. So I hope you can see the fungus under the microscope, how it looks. This is how it's going to look. Fine. Yes, very clearly it is appear. Yes. Fine. So this is about the observation of fungus. So this was actually your first practical is about the lactobacilli, and the second practical, that is about the observation of fungus. Okay, this two also you have to write first. Okay, so this is all about the practicals, children. So yes, children, these are the practicals that you have to write in a project paper. Okay, this papers you have to make it in a file. Okay, and what you have to write, that PDF I will be sending in the group, and this file, okay, this practicals which you are writing in a project paper, and you have to make it in a file, and this file I will be giving one date. Okay, on that day you have to come to school and you have to submit it. Clearly understood, children? So this is all about the practicals. Thank you.